So a little update on the girl that wants to come to Portugal with me, and also I had an orgy with, which wasn't uh, successful for me. She's not into tantra, and I feel like I'm trying to change her sometimes, but she's open for it, which is a good thing. And I noticed that really this girl makes my heart pound really hard. I'm really in love with her. I think it has to do with I think falling in love has to do with a future planning. Maybe that's just for me, but planning in the future makes me fall in love. Maybe that's an egoistic thing to say, I don't know. Maybe I am just egocentric very much, but anyway, what I feel now is that what I wanted to make this video about was like my mom's boyfriend. He really inspired me to do things for someone. If I feel like I want to do something for her, like I want to help her with any kind of things, it can be anything, as long as I keep my eyes open for those things, I will see those things. Because, and it also helps that I spend a lot of time with her, but seeing those things and acting on those things and just trying to make someone really, really happy is the way to go. And she tells me she really wants to be monogamous. She wants this feeling, and then her roommate told her that I love everyone. Right? So she's not polyamorous. She wants to come to Portugal with me, but she wants to be monogamous. And maybe she just wants to feel special. She even admitted this. So I think it just, like, my point is I think it just takes a lot of time. A lot of time to get this deep, strong connection. And I think I'm still positive that I could have this with two people, but the more people I'm with, the harder it becomes to have this strong connection with one person. And I think it just, like, this type of trust that creates the connection and the bonding, because it's all based on fear, you know, like all these commitments that are not made are all based on fear. But I think it takes a lot of time to create, to show that, and to be there for someone, and to show her that because words are just hollow, right? You have to show how much you care for someone, and I think that is, I'm confident that it can work, and it will. It is already working. That's how you should talk to yourself. Well, you don't have to do anything, but it will work.